Going back to our format menu, we now have a lot of the options that we see on our quick access toolbar and items that we use quite a bit. So if I click on the range D2 to D4, I can go to my format toolbar and choose to bold, italicize, underline, and strike through this text. So bold, italicize, underline, and strike through. All of those are right here available on your quick access toolbar if you would like to remove any of them. But do notice that underline is not on your quick access toolbar. So if you choose to underline the text in a cell, you do need to go through your format option. Below that, you have your font size, which again you can change right on your formatting toolbar. And then you have your alignment. Again, more tools that are on our quick access toolbar, left, center, right, and then our vertical alignment, top, middle, or bottom. Below that, we can merge our cells. So if we want to merge them all together, we could. In this case, I would not want to merge these cells. We have our text wrapping that we've looked at before. If we have too much text to fill up the width of the column, we can have it wrap down to the next line. And then finally, we have our text rotation. So for example, if I had the days of the week, and this is a cool trick, Google Sheets will recognize a lot of patterns. So I typed in the day Monday. If I click back on that cell and I click the little blue box in the bottom right corner and drag across, it'll put the other days of the week in as well. So from there, if I wanted these days of the week to be vertical instead of horizontal, I can go to Format, Text Rotation, and choose Rotate Up. And this will make them all vertical so I can better fit items in my cells.